Hello, Shama Crafters. Welcome back to this community. If you are new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Please hit that subscribe button. To my old crafters, welcome back again to the family. Please remember to hit the like button, comment and share our videos. Let it go viral. Thank you. So in this video, for this tutorial, we'll be making a let's say a scrunchy headband. Well, you can call it a ruffle headband. Just give it a name. We'll be making, this is what we'll be making, whatever name you decide to give to it. Then for this practical, I'll be making use of this pink velvet fabric, this very beautiful pink velvet fabric, and I have cut this. I'll be explaining how I got my measurement. So I'll be using this headband. You can use a wide headband, but I prefer to use this. So I have this 3 pieces here. This is 3 by 1.25. This is what I did. I measured this. So this is about 0.4 inches times 2, then plus sewing allowance. So if you're using a wider headband, it will be whatever the width is times 2 plus your sewing allowance. Then for these, then okay, the length is 3, so I just measured from here to here. That's like 3, though I'm still going to fold it over, so I will eventually arrive at 2.5. Then for these, I measured. So when I removed 2.5 from here, I measured from here to the other end there. This is about 11 inches. So what I did is I multiplied by 3 to get this ruffle effect. I just decided to multiply by 3. For these, I multiplied by 2.5. I think I used 27 for this. I think 25, 27 thereabout. So for this, I'll be using 33 by 3.5. The 0.5 is for the sewing allowance. So I just want to experiment with this fabric. I want to see how full it's going to be when I use 33 by 3.5 or 3.75. The 0.75 is the sewing allowance. Then I just want to see what difference it will make when I increase the amount of fabric I use for this. So what I will do is that I'll go to my machine, I'll fold this over, and I'll sew along this line. So I'll sew along this line. Then for these, I'll need to open it up, fold into 2, and also sew along this line downward. But before I do that, I'll need to fold this over a bit. I'll do that to both ends and sew down to the end. So I'll be right back. So this is what I have here. So the next thing I will do is to turn it over to the right side, as usual. So this is what I have here. I'll need to turn the smaller pieces to the right side. I'm just going to trim this off. So I'm just going to turn this one to the right side. You can use anything to turn it to the right side. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to insert one end. Make sure that the side with the same is inside. Then I'll do that with the second one too. So the next thing I will do now is to insert this. Then I'll come here and secure this end first. I'll make sure I align the side seam with this too. So just with a bit of this, so while working with this glue gun, you have to be careful, especially with this velvet fabric. It can get really messy. You have to be careful while doing this because it can get messy. So I'll keep pulling. I'll make sure this dries up first. So I'll keep pulling. So I'll do this thing to this end too. What I did here, I'm going to do it to this end too. Aligning the same. We're almost done with our ruffle headband. Almost done. Just a bit. Okay, so if you know what you did is not really neat, so you can pull a bit of this fabric on the ruffle. You can put the ruffle just to cover up what you did here and adjust the ruffle. So our ruffle is ready. So let me know, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer this fuller one or this? Which one do you prefer? This one with more fabric or this with less fabric? Let me know in the comment section. And I want you to try yours too and upload the picture in the comment section. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to like, comment, and share this video. Share with your friend. Let them know that a channel called Shama Craft exists. Thank you for stopping by, and remember that you are amazing.